Thank you for tuning into Iron Point Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to stream to Twitch using software such as OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS. This is going to be a very quick tutorial that shows you all the necessary settings to have a high quality stream for Twitch. Now, you're first going to want to navigate to either OBS Studio or Streamlabs. You can search for it within Google and then download one of those software. I'm going to be using OBS Studio, but the platform is very similar across both platforms. So download either one and you can follow similar steps. So let's jump right in. So after you download OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS, it's going to open up into this window. Now, in order to start streaming to Twitch, you're going to need to have sources enabled so you can capture your display, capture your camera, capture your audio. And so in here in this left section, yours is going to be empty, but I've already done stuff before and have been recording and streaming already. So this will be empty. You're going to want to add in a scene. So click plus and then add in a scene. So click OK. You can name it whatever you want. And then after you added in that scene, you're going to want to add in sources. So we're going to want to add in your display, your webcam, and your audio, assuming you have all three of those. So click plus and then add in display capture. Then you can create new, name it whatever you want. Click OK, and it's going to capture your full display. Here, we're going to keep all these settings the same. The display is just showing what display you're capturing, which is my display 1. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to want to add in an audio input capture. So click that, add in create new, click OK. And then for the device, you can either do default device or you can select specific audio. I'm using my Yeti mic right now, but I'm going to add in this USB mic. I'm going to mute that because I'm already recording. And then you can add in a video capture device and click create new, and then just make sure it's selected to whatever video capture device you're using. I'm not going to do it because I'm already using my video to record this video. So I'm not going to use my webcam. So click cancel. Then now you have your sources in there. It'll capture all of those. You can see here the mic and desktop audio is going to be recorded here. If you're using your game, you can see the audio levels here. You can see your mic audio levels here. Now we're going to want to make sure that your OBS Studios is connected to Twitch. So you're going to want to go to your settings, then go to stream. Here you can see my stream key is already put in, but you're going to want to grab your stream key from Twitch in order to connect it. You're going to want to open up Twitch. You're going to go to your settings, and then in your settings, you want to click on channels and videos. And then as it pulls up this, you want to make sure you go into this left navigation and go to your stream settings. And then here is your stream key. Don't show people your stream key. It's just for you. So you're going to want to copy it and then go back to OBS Studio and then paste in your stream key and then click apply, and then you're good to go. And then for output, you're going to want to make sure you have it on simple. You don't need advanced right now if you're just wanting to get started in streaming on Twitch. So click simple. I recommend staying at 6,000 bit rate. If you have low speeds, like below 10 megabytes upload speed for your internet, you might want to lower this bit rate down just to make sure you're not losing a lot of quality or dropping a lot of frames. And then for encoder, keep it on NVENC. Using this is pulling from your CPU, but we want to pull from the GPU. So keep it on NVENC. I don't worry about audio bit rate here. And then make sure this is disabled. We don't need to worry about advanced encoder settings right now. And then click apply. And then go to your video and just make sure that your base resolution is the size of your monitor. Most likely it's going to be 1920 by 1080. I just have a larger monitor. And then the downscale filter, make sure you have this sharpen scaling 36 samples selected. For your FPS, might be set at 30. I just recommend bumping that up to 60. It'll give you better quality, especially if you have good internet. Then you can just have it at 60 frames per second. And then click apply, click OK. Then now you have all of your sources. You have all your settings set up correctly. And then now you can just go ahead and click start streaming, and it will start streaming your display onto Twitch. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any comments below of any other tips and tricks to make the stream even better.